Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 13. This question they have asked in the exam GATE 2014. So let us read the question. Figure shows four electronic switches 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so here we are having the four electronic switches 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which of the switches can block the voltages of either polarity applied between terminals A and B? Okay, when the active device is in the off state. Okay, means they have asked which of these out of these four switches, which are the bipolar switches. Okay, which of these switches can block the voltages of either polarity? Means what? The switch when the active switch is in the off state, active device they have said. Active device means what? In the first switch, yes, here we are having the IGBT, right? It is the active device. Okay, here also the IGBT is the active device. Here SCR is the active device. Here SCR is the active device. Okay, means the diode is not the active device. Okay, so it is an uncontrolled device. Okay, so it is given that when the active device is in the off state, out of these four, which switches blocks the forward as well as reverse voltage? Okay, means indirectly they have asked for the out of the four, which switches are the bipolar switch, right? Which are the bipolar switches they have asked. Okay, so here if you check the first switch, okay, the first switch, let us draw the first switch. Yes, this is IGBT we are having, and a diode. It is like a IGBT and a body diode we are having, right? So suppose, yes, suppose when active device is in a off state, right? When active device is in a off state, okay, let us discuss whether this switch, right, consider this device as a single switch. Okay, if the IGBT is in the off state, let us discuss whether the switch will be able to block the forward voltage or not. Okay, forward voltage means what? A is positive, B is negative. Okay, so if you check, if this is in the off state, yes, whether the current will flow through the IGBT? No, IGBT will block the voltage. Current is zero means what? IGBT is blocking the voltage. Okay, at the same time, whether the diode will allow the reverse current? No, because when polarity is plus here minus here, yes, the current direction will be from right A to B, but IGBT is in the off state, so therefore IGBT will not block the voltage. IGBT will be blocking the voltage. IGBT will not allow the current. Okay, at the same time the diode is in the reverse bias mode. Okay, so diode will be blocking the voltage. Are you getting the point? Okay, so we can say that the switch number 1 blocks the forward voltage, blocks the forward voltage. Let us discuss for the reverse voltage, right? For the reverse voltage, okay, reverse voltage means what? Yes, A is minus, B is plus. Okay, so IGBT is in the off state means what? Yes, IGBT will not allow the current from B to A, right? Means it current will not flow through the IGBT. But what about the diode? This diode will be in the forward bias mode, so this diode will allow the current flowing through it, right, from B towards the A, from B towards the A. The direction of current will be from B to A, and diode will not block the reverse voltage. Okay, so can we say that the switch number A, switch number 1, it is not a bipolar switch, it is a unipolar switch, right? It is blocking only forward voltage, it will block only forward voltage, right? So this is about the switch number 1. Let us discuss for the second switch. Here we are having IGBT in series with a diode. Okay, so diode and IGBT are in series. Okay, so terminal A, here it is terminal B, and here we are having the second switch. Okay, second switch. So let us discuss when the voltage is forward, that is a plus here and minus here. Okay, and if IGBT is in the off state, definitely the IGBT will not allow current from A to B. Okay, so this switch will be blocking the forward voltage. At the same time, if we check, yes, for the reverse voltage, if we check for the reverse voltage, that is the minus here, and here it is a plus. Okay, so for the reverse voltage, this diode will be in the reverse bias mode. Okay, so therefore current will not flow from B to A. The meaning is, yes, the switch is blocking the reverse voltage as well. Okay, so here can we say that the switch is blocking forward as well as reverse voltage? Yes, means switch number 2 is the correct one. Okay, next let us discuss for the third option. Okay, in the third option they have given the SCR, right, or the thyristor. Okay, so here we are having the SC. Okay, so suppose when SCR is in a off state, right, SCR is in a off state, it will not allow the current from A to B, right, current will not flow from A to B, so definitely SCR will block the forward voltage, SCR will block the forward voltage. Okay, at the same time if we check when it is in the reverse bias mode, right, that is nothing but the voltage is reverse. Voltage reverse means it is minus here it is a plus. Okay, so here current will not flow from B to A because SCR will not allow the reverse current. Okay, so here we can say that SCR or this switch number 3 is blocking the forward as well as reverse voltage, right, switch number 3 is blocking the forward as well as reverse voltage, right. Next let us discuss for the switch number 4. Switch number 4 is a combination of thyristor and a diode connected in anti-parallel, connected in anti, right. If you check the switch number 4 where, so if we check for this switch, when voltage is positive, that is a forward voltage means A is positive, B is negative. Okay, and if SCR is in a on state, SCR is in a off state. Okay, if SCR is in a off state, yes, current will not flow through the SCR. At the same time, current will not flow through the diode because diode is in the reverse bias mode. Okay, so can we say that our switch is blocking the forward voltage? Yes, switch is blocking the forward voltage. Next, let us discuss for the reverse voltage. Right, for reverse voltage means yes, A is negative, B is positive. Okay, if B is positive, A is negative, then this diode will be in the forward bias mode and diode will act as a short circuit. So current will be flowing from B to A. Right, the meaning is our switch is not blocking the reverse voltage. Switch is not blocking the reverse voltage. So are you getting the point? Okay, so if you check out of these four switches, yes, switch number 2 and switch number 3, these are the switches which are blocking the forward as well as reverse voltage when the active switch is in the off state. Okay, so therefore the correct answer is option C, switch number 2 and 3 only. Okay, that is the option C. Is this clear? Okay, so this is about the question number 13. This question they have asked in the exam GATE 2014. Okay, in the next video we are going to discuss about previous year GATE question number 14. Thank you.